Okay, I just wanted to go over those couple of things I said I would do to show you in Resolve, and I just saw that you had an issue with volume. I'm going to show you how to fix that in 2 seconds. So just to refresh, this is how you add a transition in. And if you want to also have the audio fade in, the audio fades in right here too. And it'll be the same for the end. Now you can tell usually how quiet a track is going to be by the size of the waveform here. So if these are really small, the audio is going to be really low. If I were you, just assume that the audio is going to be a little low, and even if it's a little high, this method will actually bring it down. So you can just start doing this on all your clips and then not have to worry so much about mic placement. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here on the clip, you're going to right click, you're going to go up to normalize audio levels. Just leave it all as is, hit normalize. Now it just automatically did the volume work and got it just right. So that's all you need to do to fix your audio levels in a video. Super easy.